we are gonna have a bake-off between these two ovens. The two. Ooh. So now we've made the pizza, we are ready to do a cook-off. Okay, we are gonna have a bake-off between these two ovens. And just make sure they're the right temperature. I've just left them on the same temperature together to show you how hard or easy they are to use. I kind of think that's halfway on the dial, I'm not sure, but that's the disadvantage with the Kodas. I can't really see where I am on the dial because it's behind. I know that the Ninja Woodfire is at the exact temperature I want it to be, so I don't even have to worry about it. So that's the difference there. And that's 406 on the stone, and that one's about 440, 50 on the stone. Yeah, it's too high, so I have to wait for this to go down. The Koda's not ready, the Ninja's ready. I just want to show you the differences between cooking in two different pizza ovens, one with a gas flame, one with an electric oven. One is an electric oven and the other's a gas flame, and how different they are to cook with. So it's a good comparison. That one's ready, has been for a while, the Ninja. The Koda was ready, then it wasn't ready, then it was ready, then it wasn't ready, and I've had to turn it up and turn it down as I've been making my pizza. I'm just waiting for the Koda now whilst the Ninja's ready, but I'm going to put them both in at the same time. Okay, I'm going to put these in together. Press start on that one. So let's do it. That one goes in. Oh, I don't like that peel. This one goes in. Come on, put it away. I stuck on the peel because it's been waiting so long. Okay. So I'm going to be going in between here, but kind of got to keep my eye on them. So they're both cooking now. That one's going to buzzer. The Ninja's going to buzzer now, but I'm just going to keep it on for another 60 seconds, and then I'm going to get this one. Kind of overcooking. Turn it down on the dial, and this one is nearly done. So I might have to turn. Uh-oh, I'm gonna. That one needs 4 seconds. This one, I think it's done. Just give it 10 seconds. And it's nearly done at the back. This one's done. Oh. Where's the thing? Did it. I did it. That was frantic. So if I can get the two together, and you can see the two. That's the Ninja. Nice. And the base. Nice. Again, Ninja base, Ninja. And then the Koda and the base. Nice. So there you have it, the Koda. That one was super easy to use. That one was a bit more work to use. I don't like cutting up on my Epicotted Spy Peel, the square one. I only use these ones. I don't ever use this one to launch. It's heavy, and as you can see, I nearly kind of broke the pizza up with it. So I prefer the other launch peel. So let's cut these up. Lovely. Very nice. I could have actually kept the Ninja one in for a bit longer. I wish I had. The base and the base, you can see it. Let's serve these up. Right, who wanted the I can't remember which one. Oh, this is a chorizo. Oh, that base has gone a bit there. Right, so that's the chorizo.
Thank you.
Which one came out, do you think, the better? I'll finish off the rest of my video later. Bit of running back and forward, but from the cook you can see that the Koda 12 was a bit harder to get going. It just took a bit more time to monitor the temperature, whereas with the electric oven I just turned it on and it was just good to go. So that's the difference between the two really, and I nearly burnt the crust on the Koda 12 whilst I was getting the pizza out from the Ninja. So it's difficult to run back and forward with two ovens, but ultimately it was much easier for the cook in the Ninja because I didn't have to monitor the temperature as I was making the pizza, which is so much easier. And then from the opinions of the two taste testers I had today, which were members of my family, they both said that they thought the Ninja pizza was better, the way that it had cooked the pizza. So they were independent testing, not from me. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.